Have you ever noticed, no matter what you achieve, it never feels enough? You reach one goal, and your mind immediately wants the next. You get something you once dreamed of, and after a while, it feels normal. Empty again. Why does this happen? Buddha explained this with a simple truth. There's a story. One day, a man came to Buddha and said, "I keep chasing things, money, success, respect, but nothing satisfies me. Why?" Buddha didn't answer directly. Instead, he asked him to drink a cup of salty water. The man took a sip and immediately spit it out. "It's bitter," he said. Then Buddha asked him to pour the same salt into a large lake and drink from it again. The man drank and said, "It tastes normal." Buddha smiled and said, "The salt is the same, but the container is different." He continued, "Your desires are like that salt. If your mind is small and always craving, even a little dissatisfaction feels overwhelming. But if your mind becomes vast, calm, aware, the same desires lose their power." The man stood silent. Buddha then said, "Nothing feels enough because your wanting never ends. The more you chase, the more your mind gets used to it and asks for more. That's the truth, and this endless cycle keeps you restless. But the moment you stop chasing everything and start appreciating what is already here, something shifts. So don't try to satisfy every desire. You never will. Instead, understand your mind, because peace doesn't come from having more. It comes from needing less. If this made you see things differently, subscribe to Insight of Buddha.